What's happening, guys? 6:45 a.m. Thursday morning. I came up with this idea to do a quick tip for you. I just got done spraying this bagger yesterday. So late yesterday, it's tequila orange, but they discontinued the pearls, so the guy had some damage to a few of his parts, so we had to do the whole thing. So what I did was came up with the base coat, tequila orange, and then we coated it with the mid coat, or Harley calls it top coat, of Laguna orange. So I two-tone this, but the spacing between the pinstripes is not 1/8 inch, and it's also not 1/16 inch. So what we'll do in a little bit, I'm going to add another segment here in a little bit, and I will show you a quick little tip that I've used quite a few times. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. I want to show you this quick tip. I told you I would. Basically, it has to do with the spacing or the pinstripe itself. It's either skinnier than or it's wider than a 1/16 inch, or skinnier than an 1/8 inch. So I'll show you here. This is a bag lid. We're going to use this as an example. I showed you all those parts I did. I used this tip on all the parts that you saw in the booth. Basically, you'll see the spacing in between these two stripes. You'll see the 1/16 inch is too skinny to fill that gap, and this is too wide. Most of the time, a Harley part or Harley paint job will have the pinstripes or the spacing either 1/16 inch or 1/8 inch. But every once in a while, you'll come into this problem where it's in between. Why they do that, I have no idea. So here's what I'm going to show you. Very simple. This is FBS tape, part 48410. I use it all the time. I like this better than the 3M tape. When you're pulling this, pull as you go. It actually makes it skinnier. You're stretching it, but it doesn't pull back when it's on here. So let me show you again. Just pull. That's skinnier, that's right in between. So once you do it for a while, you get used to it. Let me show you how this works. And you'll see it fits right in between there. So this is after I stretched it. It won't pull on the corners. And this here, you can compare. You see the 1/8 inch is too wide, 1/16 inch too skinny, and you'll see this fits right down the center there. And as you can see, I can pull it up, put it back down. I love this tape. Cheaper than 3M. Again, $48,410. So thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up, like my channel. Until next time, see ya.